Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Wednesday, December 1st. Wow, the year has gone by fast. So let's take a look. We got some big news today, so kind of roller coaster ride, or a little depends which one you want to look at. So let's take a look at some numbers here. We got the ADP employment came out, jumped up to 93,000. So the market's loving it. Productivity is up a little bit. That can be viewed as a couple different ways, but in this way it's viewed as more of a positive in the sense that as more jobs came in, they're able to increase the productivity, or sometimes they do more with less. In this case, obviously more jobs were created, so in this case, helped out productivity. Challenger job cuts also down quite a bit, negative 3.3%. So that's also good news. ISM, right, pretty much kind of in the where we kind of expect it to be, 56.6. So nothing really in the ISM side of things. Construction spending was up, so that's good news as well. Fed base book is due out at 11 o'clock Western Coast time, so West Coast time. So we'll see what the Fed has on its plate there. Then we also have the stock market. It's also on fire in fuego, as they say here in California. China, another big thing is their PMI, which is kind of like their basically talking about they're still growing. So that's going to create more concerns probably in the near future. But right now they're shrugging it off as growth in China is still growing. So to slow itself down, they're probably going to start raising some more interest rates over there to slow itself down a bit, due to fight their inflation that's happening over there. So so let's take a look at the bond market. We got here. We were up quite a bit yesterday. It was looking pretty good. It dropped down. It touched off the basically stopped at the 10-day moving average. And then this morning, the news, the ADP numbers, and the productivity kind of wowed it. So they kind of had a huge gap, about 70 basis points right here. So mortgage rates jumped up quite a bit today, and then on top of it's down about 19 basis points from that. So we're down about 89 basis points for the day so far. We were down another 10, but it's pulling back a little bit. Anytime you see these gaps, these will get closed. It's just a matter of time when it'll get closed. It's possible ADP hasn't always been that effective in the past. We'll wait. Friday will probably be the big days when we get the employment. So we'll see what Friday's job numbers come out, the non-farm payrolls, the employment, and everything else. So we'll kind of see what those will come out if we have any surprises there. All right. So for the day, to sum it up, stock market's on fuego. We got the bond market that tanked quite a bit so far today, with a huge opening gap. So mortgage rates are up as a result, and so like I said, it's good. How depends how you want to look at it. Stock market's doing well, rates went up, so or vice versa. So all right, guys, you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll go from there.